Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're doing a video here today to show you how to take off the decals from the bed of the truck. I want to get rid of these. I had the factory ones on, which contained a little bit of red. I thought these ones were going to look a little bit better, but I'm going for the all blacked out look. These kind of take away from that, although I do like them better than the factory. They need to go. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Alls we're using, a little heat action with the heat gun and our Goo Gone Automotive to wipe down the paint surface after. Make sure that we don't have any residual glue from the sticker on there that you'll be able to see on the paint. We'll get rid of that as well. You just want to heat it up a little bit and low and at a decent pace, and then you'll be able to peel it right off. Start from one side. Surface is a little bit cold, obviously. It's about 35 degrees out right now, so it's a little chilly. It might take a little bit more to get the sticker warmed up enough to start peeling it off. As you can see there, probably don't need to do any more, but I'm just going to make sure that keep heating it up a little bit here. Make sure that I get it off in one piece without having to pull any tiny pieces of the sticker off. Also helps to get as much of the adhesive off as possible so that when you're wiping it down with your Goo Gone, you don't have to do a ton of elbow work. So it'll help just to make sure it's nice and warm. Like I said, it's nice and cold out, so let's heat it up with that heat gun, but doesn't stay warm too long. All right, almost there. All right, awesome. Now we'll spray our Goo Gone on there and let it seep into that adhesive a little bit. And this is automotive, so it's safe for the paint. I've tested it before, didn't have any issues. I'd highly recommend it. When I took off the factory stickers, it worked amazing and was safe for the paint. Didn't have any damage to that or the clear coat that I could see whatsoever. So I'd definitely highly recommend it. Let that sit on there for about 30 seconds and we'll wipe it away. If there's any residual on there, we'll wipe it off again, but it does pretty well even on the first shot. we'll get that off with another hard wipe, but you get the picture. Heat it up with a heat gun, makes it nice and easy. If you heat it up a little bit longer than I did, you might get a little bit more of that adhesive off. Again, these were aftermarket stickers. The Goo Gone Automotive, highly recommend it. Surface safe for the paint on your vehicle. And we'll stick with this all blacked out theme we've been working towards with removing these stickers today. But thanks for watching the Cryptic Chevy channel. Appreciate you tuning in. Thank you and have an awesome day.